Well, hello YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I am wrapped up in my scarf because it's freezing out. It is April 20th, and there has been snow. You can see there's still some snow in the shade. Yesterday, when we got here, there was snow everywhere, and that has melted from the sun, but it's still only in the high 30s, low 40s, so especially in the shade, it is cold. Nick and I are out here, and we're going to set up a trail camera today, which I'm very excited about. We're going to, I'm screaming, I shouldn't scream. I get so excited when I talk to camera. We are going to a very special spot right now where there is a lot of bear sign, and we're going to set the camera up there. So here we go. We are off. So this year in Pennsylvania, there was an acorn surplus, meaning there were more acorns produced than all of the animals in the woods could eat. I thought that was interesting because we were scouting turkey a couple weeks ago, and Nick noticed how many acorns there were. And then I was reading a report by the turkey biologist here in Pennsylvania, and one of the things she talked about was how there was an acorn surplus. All of the critters have had a lot of food, so their numbers are projected to be good, healthy populations, and we're seeing that here as well. Lots of acorns everywhere that have still been uneaten, that haven't been eaten. You catch my drift. I think it's cool. I also think it's cool that Nick picked up on that whenever we were just out scouting, and then I actually read it in the report. So what we're seeing is matching what they're finding, and it's cool how it all connected. This is, I think, my first spring that I've seen here in Pennsylvania, and I'm sure I've crossed them further down, but we are right where it's, coming out of the earth, which is so cool. It's fun to find things like this. Also means that the deer have a water source right here, so we can start to put the puzzle pieces together, figure out where they're moving and what they're doing and where their resources are. Ah, there's more water over here. Look at this. There's another. Here's another. Literally within, 80 yards of each other. Another natural spring right where it comes out of the ground. Well, it's cold enough for ice, but it's all melting. Spring's coming. This is cool. Nick and I were just saying how this is totally a spot that a bear would den. Or if I was a bear, he was a bear, we would den here. Just because this boulder's so big, and there's a nice little cave that like nooks into it really nice. That's cool. Little nest. You can actually see where something was laying. You can see how the leaves are gone in that nice little circle. Something was laying in there. If you look at this valley, like all the way over there, that's legit. That's like western kind of valleys. Like all the way across over there. That's far. But if the timber wasn't here, you could glass something from here and then go and stock it, just like a Western pursuit. So wild. I wish all of Pennsylvania was like this. We spooked something out of here and they slid just like I just did. The deer, buddy. We are going to put a trail camera up here. During the fall, Nick was hunting back here and found a lot of bear sign. And as we were walking in today, we found a lot of deer sign. So I think that this is a good spot in general. Seems like the critters are hanging out in this area a lot. There are some natural springs close by. There's a lot of different boulders that I feel like a bear, I don't know, it just looks berry to me. You know how people say, oh, it looks elky? It looks berry to me. And what else do we have going on? There's a nice big hemlock under here where you can see a giant buck scrape from last year. It's a beautiful hemlock tree right here. You can probably see it in the background. So we're going to set the camera up here, facing that way because the trail kind of wraps right around that big tree, and see what we catch on film. Video mode. Oh, we have 2 cameras.
I was going to put one by the swamp.
Yeah, let's do that. Okay. So we're using stealth cams. I'll include links down below. These things are awesome. Their video mode is the coolest thing. If you've been watching my channel for any amount of time, you've probably seen some of my trail cam videos because they're so cool. You just capture cool things on video mode. That's better. You have more of an understanding of what's going on in video mode. So I like it. So let's get this set up. $1280 by 720, that's amazing. 30-second delay, 10-second video length. Perfect. Yeah, I think it's good. So first camera is set. That camera is more or less the bear cam. It's kind of what I'm calling it. So the hopes there are really for bear, although again, we did see deer sign, so deer is very possible. Now we're gonna go back a little closer to the camp and set up a deer camera and see how the deer are looking. Hopefully catch a turkey too. That'd be cool. We saw turkey tracks in the snow yesterday while we were hiking, so maybe we'll catch a turkey on camera.
It's so thick so fast. Not a good idea.
Too thick?
Yeah.
Okay. Big.
It's a big doe.
Big. They might not be does.
Yeah, true. That's gotta be a buck. Look how big its head is.
That was so cool. That deer, at least the second one, his body was so huge. And I'm saying his because I'm pretty sure it was a buck. You think it was too though, right?
Yeah, that would have been.
He was huge. The other one was a little bit smaller, but that was cool.
There we go.
I felt like though, whenever they spooked, they didn't run that far. They ran like 100 yards. and then stopped, and then we're just hanging out, and then we started moving again, and then they spooked off. But
Look how far they got so fast.
I know, all the way down there. Okay. Trail camera number 2.
Look at every single tree here is rubbed. I mean, old ones, but.
What'd you set it on?
Video.
Nice.
81%.
Perfect. Ew.
Cool.
So that is set and good to go. We're gonna head back now and cook some food. We have some deer to make. So yeah, that pretty much wraps up our adventures in the woods. Okay, so it is time for the giveaway announcement. So in this video, you guys will have a chance to win an Alaska Guide Creations bino harness. Now this is my personal harness here, so you won't win this one exactly, but you will have the option of choosing your camo or solid color, whichever you prefer. This one's First Light Fusion, but they have a couple different camo patterns, and you'll also be able to pick your pack model. So I believe this is the Cub. I have a pair of 10 by 42 Swarovskis in here, and it fits wonderfully, but you'll be able to choose the size that'll fit your binos the best. I love these harnesses. They are amazing, and I haven't done a full review on them, but I should, because there are a lot of pockets and like hidden little features everywhere, all throughout the harness, and I feel like you understand it a little bit better once someone walks you through it. But regardless of that, maybe that's for a future video. These things are amazing, and I'm so excited for the winner. But actually, there will be 2 winners. So 2 of you will have a chance to win. That's so exciting. I'm so excited. It's such a beautiful evening. I feel like I'm just, you know, on one of my things, on one of my own wavelengths right now. So here's what you have to do to enter. You need to subscribe to my channel, you need to like this video, and leave a comment down below. And you can comment anything. You can comment from where you're watching from, or what your favorite game animal is, anything. Or you can just say, "What's up, Allie?" and I will know that you are in for the giveaway. Any comment, like the video, and subscribe to my channel, and you are entered. And then 2 of you will win at random, and those will be announced within 1 week of this video being published. So all of those dates and details on how to enter will also be in the description box, so you can check that out. But the winner will be announced. The winner will be announced 1 week from the day this video goes up. So good luck. I hope you enter. I hope you guys enjoy and love this. Whether you're an Eastern or a Western hunter, it won't matter. I feel like the sun is like coming through. So I really hope that you enjoy this. And that is it for this video, you guys. Nick and I are going to leave soon to pick up our puppy. So stay tuned for that video. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.